Hey, fitness fanatics, meet Sophie Lawson. Sophie Lawson's journey into the world of fitness and content creation began in her early years, characterized by a love for sports and a passion for activity. Growing up, she was an active child, participating in various athletic activities and developing a keen interest in health and fitness. Her natural affinity for staying active set the stage for her future career as a pro fitness
Bonjour
model
madame.
athlete.
Morning. Morning.
Sophie's dedication to
Good form.
fitness grew stronger during her teenage years. She started weight training and soon realized her potential in bodybuilding
Keep up
and
the good work.
fitness modeling. With a rigorous training regimen and a commitment to clean eating, Sophie transformed
Morning.
her physique and began competing in fitness competitions. Her hard work paid off as she earned her professional status, becoming a respected figure in the fitness community. In addition to her success as a fitness model, Sophie leveraged her skills and passion for creativity by becoming a content creator. She started sharing her fitness journey, workout routines, nutrition tips, and motivational messages on social media platforms.
Bonjour madame.
Her engaging content and relatable personality quickly garnered a large following, making her a prominent
Morning.
influencer in the fitness world.
Good form.